Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most fascinating rides and futuristic machines from around the world. If you love cars, super luxury vehicles, and jaw-dropping innovations, make sure to stick around because today we're diving into something truly wild. Imagine a motorhome that doesn't just let you travel the world, but lets you do it in the lap of extreme luxury. With designs so advanced you'd think they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. These aren't irregular RVs. These are next-level motorhomes crafted by some of the most prestigious automotive brands: Ferrari, Bugatti, Ford, and more. But let me warn you, these rides are so exclusive and so ridiculously expensive that most of us will never get close to affording them. Let's jump right into the top 5 luxurious next-level motorhomes of 2026 Auto Tech Review. Segment 1. Ferrari Motorhome Concept. First up, Ferrari. When you hear Ferrari, you think of blistering speed, sleek red bodies, and engines that roar. But Ferrari's 2026 motorhome concept takes that reputation and blends it with luxury travel. Imagine stepping into an RV that carries Ferrari's iconic design language, sharp aerodynamics, carbon fiber bodywork, and a futuristic interior that feels like a private jet. Inside, the cabin is layered with Italian leather, touch panel controls, and even a lounge area inspired by their GT cars. The kicker: it's powered by a hybrid V12 engine delivering more than 900 horsepower. So you're not just cruising, you're flying on wheels. Price tag: estimated over $10 million. Definitely not for the average traveler. Segment 2. Bugatti Hyper Motorhome. Next, we have Bugatti, known for producing some of the fastest cars in the world. Bugatti's 2026 hypermotorhome redefines what road luxury means. The exterior is sculpted with the same flowing curves as the Chiron, but stretched to motorhome proportions. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalist yet opulent design. Rare wood veneers, custom crystal fixtures, and a full panoramic glass roof that turns the entire cabin into a rolling luxury penthouse. The motorhome features a W16 hybrid engine, allowing not only record-breaking speed but also surprisingly smooth handling for such a massive vehicle. Some early estimates suggest a price tag between $12 and $15 million, making it possibly the most expensive motorhome on Earth. Segment 3. Ford FutureLiner 2026. Now let's shift gears to Ford. Ford isn't usually associated with extreme luxury, but their FutureLiner 2026 concept changes everything. Inspired by the original GM FutureLiner buses from the 1940s, Ford reimagined it for the future of motor travel. This motorhome is designed with sustainability in mind, powered entirely by electric batteries with a range of nearly 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. Inside, it feels like a modern luxury condo. Retractable walls span the living space, a smart kitchen uses AI to prepare meals, and a bedroom pod adjusts lighting and temperature automatically to suit your sleep cycle. While not as fast or extreme as Ferrari or Bugatti's versions, it brings futuristic luxury and innovation for around $3 million. Still far from affordable for most of us. Segment 4. Lamborghini RoadJet RV. Number 4 on our list is the Lamborghini RoadJet RV. Lamborghini is famous for outrageous styling and extreme performance, and this motorhome doesn't disappoint. The RoadJet looks like a stealth jet on wheels, with sharp lines, scissor-style side doors, and a low-slung aerodynamic stance. Inside, you get a mix of edgy Lamborghini DNA with ultra-modern luxury, neon-lit interiors, Alcantara seats, holographic displays, and even a built-in virtual racing simulator so you can feel like you're driving a Lambo supercar while parked at a campsite. The RoadJet is powered by a twin-turbo V10 hybrid producing nearly 1,200 horsepower. Price estimate: around $8 million, but more likely only a handful will ever be built. Segment 5. Rolls-Royce Land Yacht 2026. Finally, rounding off our list is the Rolls-Royce Land Yacht 2026. Rolls-Royce is the definition of elegance, and this motorhome is more like a 5-star hotel on wheels. The exterior is bold yet classy, with a massive chrome grille, smooth body lines, and a two-tone paint finish. The interior, pure luxury. Think crystal chandeliers, handcrafted woodwork, cashmere-lined seats, and even a private spa area with a mini sauna. Rolls-Royce has also equipped it with a fully autonomous driving system, so you don't even need to worry about handling the wheel. Sit back, sip champagne, and watch the world go by. Of course, the price matches the Prestige over $10 million. Outro. So there you have it, the top 5 most luxurious next-level motorhomes of 2026. From Ferrari's hybrid beast to Bugatti's rolling penthouse, Ford's futuristic FutureLiner, Lamborghini's RoadJet, and Rolls-Royce's Land Yacht. These are machines that push the boundaries of what motorhomes can be. They combine extreme performance, futuristic technology, and ultimate luxury, but with price tags that most of us can only dream about. Which of these dream machines would you choose if money was no object? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible vehicles and futuristic concepts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.